In this video, I will show you how to generate random numbers in Microsoft Excel, and not only random numbers, but random unique numbers, because this is important. You could generate the same number twice if you're not careful. So random unique numbers, we're gonna do it right now. This you can use as a unique key or ID for some products you might have, product code. You can have this for anything you like. Even this I will create the random numbers in Microsoft Excel and also random unique numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's check it. Okay, let's generate random numbers. Okay, so I have a list of tasks here and I have a filter on. Okay, I want to generate a random ID, and this is a simple list of only how many there are? Only 8. It's only 8 rows, but it could be a lot of rows here. So when I generate the random ID, I can use the random function, type rand in the function, and then you can use RANDBETWEEN if you want to set the limits lower and higher, or you can use rand and returns a random number greater than or equal to 0 or less than 1. Okay, so it generates the number. That's a random number right here. And if I wanted to get this into a more longer format, I could choose the number to have a lot of decimal places, let's say 8 decimal places, and this becomes a more unique number. And if I want to make sure that this random ID is unique indeed, I could actually use the random. If I want to make sure this random number is generated unique, I could add a new every time you do this, it will refresh. So I have to copy from here, Ctrl+Shift+V. I'll paste it here, paste it as values, and I delete the old one. So these are the permanent random numbers. Now they are saved. You see here, this is the actual value. So I could now have a function that will check if there are duplicates. Okay, once I have them, the most simple way would be to use conditional formatting to detect duplicates. I could take the whole Excel and then right click here and go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and highlight the duplicate values. And if I had a value here that was the same, let's say I copy this one here, it will highlight both of them because they are the same. I copy this one here, it will also highlight that one. And if I want to count the occurrences in this, okay, so I could copy this one here and then they are all red. But what if this Excel file has a lot of rows? And I could count the values, and here I could use the function COUNTIF. Okay, so COUNTIF, I have the range. I click on the column E and then criteria, and the number I wanted to look for, it's going to be the D2 value in D2. So it will look for the D2 value in the whole range, and then it will count them. So it will be 1 if it's only one instance, and so on. So now I have count, and you can see that we already have that here. I can actually filter this I can filter this now and select only the ones that have 2, and now these are the red ones. So if this Excel sheet had a lot of rows, it would be not a problem. I could still see it, and I could modify the formula a little bit. So instead of saying COUNTIF, I could say this should be true. It will return true or false when this count is greater than 1. So now I have a logical test where true, we have true for, and actually I should drag the formula towards the last one also. So they are all the true ones. These are the duplicates that were also highlighted before. And this is how you generate the random number. And if it happens that you generated a number and you have values that are duplicates, you can regenerate the number. You can use RAND with the equal sign before. So regenerate the number, and it becomes, they all become false. When I regenerate the numbers, they all become false. So every time when I type something, it will regenerate the numbers, and this is why you want to copy this and then paste it as values, so it stays in place. It doesn't change at all after I'm done with these values. And I can see from the counter that they are all, I can filter, and they are all false. So it's all these values are unique, guaranteed to be unique relative to each other. Thanks for watching. This is really, don't forget to save the document. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comment section below if it did, and if you want to see some specific video, write that, say what video you like, make a video request. I might do it for you. And give the video a like, tell your friends about the channel, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. This is how you create the random numbers in Excel, and I will show you actually how to create random numbers in Excel, but also random unique numbers where one number doesn't repeat, not even more than one number is not showing more than random unique number. It means there is a random number, it doesn't show more than once.